I hope you're having a great day and a great week. So today, I'm going to be comparing the SpectrAlert Advanced and the smoke detector. You guys might not know this, but I got the smoke detector today for a reward for like finishing 5th grade. Well, yeah, since today it was was my last day of school. So yeah, this is a reward for me. So yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna be seeing which one is louder. So yeah, okay guys, which one do you think is louder? The SpectrAlert Advance or the smoke detector? And if you're wondering, the smoke detector is made by BRK. So yeah. So anyway, let's take this off so I can do the let's do the SpectrAlert Advance first. So yeah, let's just put the money bracket over there. So yeah, and also this is kind of hard because I'm holding a camera. So yeah, I gotta try to make the battery stable if I can. Okay, anyways, that was the SpectrAlert Advance. Now, let's do the smoke detector. So all you have to do is like hold this button for like 3 seconds and then for I don't know, for like a few seconds and then it turns on. So yeah. So yep, that was a smoke detector. So yeah. Now I'm gonna let's sound them at the same time. So yeah, so I'm gonna sound the smoke detector at the same time the advance is going off. So anyways, let's just put the advance on here. Carefully. Well, anyways, guys, I was sounding at the same time there, so yeah. So, anyways, guys, which one do you think is louder, the smoke detector or the SpectrAlert Advance? I obviously think the SpectrAlert Advance is a bit louder. So, yeah. So, anyways, guys, like you can tell me in the comment section of which one you think is louder. So, yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. So yeah, anyways, guys, peace out. So, bye-bye.